The Chilean Patagonia is characterized by its large stretch of land. Green prairies contrast with its remarkable water reserves. Pollution-free rivers and waters coming from glacial thaws give life to a healthy ecosystem that creates a perfect scenery for livestock raising. A research supported by the Agricultural Innovation Foundation established that the Magallanes lamb meat has nutritional quality, high iron and zinc contents, and oils good for the human body. The research also proved that the iron and zinc levels in the Magallanes lamb are higher than those found in every other meat regularly consumed. The high quality of the Magallanes lamb is related to its feeding in natural prairies and crystal clear waters. In Chile's southernmost area by the Strait of Magellan is the city of Punta Arenas, where the visionary son of Croatian immigrants Frigo Simunovic started in the 50s a family business called Magallanes Wool and Leather Industry. This meant a big step forward in the history of the industrialization of the Magallanes stock breeding. In 1985, helped by his sons, the company enhanced its line, incorporating a state-of-the-art technology sheep meat processing plant. The Simunovic meat processing plant is located in a 7.5-hectare land, and the production processes are carried out in more than 24,000 roofed square meters. Today, it is the largest and most modern meat processing plant in South America. There are over 450 qualified employees specialized in meat handling. The Simunovic meat processing plant is the first company authorized to export meat to the European Union, America, Asia, and the Middle East. The new beef processing plant, built in 2008 with cutting-edge technology from New Zealand and certified by SAG to export its products to the European Union and other highly demanding markets, offers once again a first-rate product available for the demands of the international market. The surroundings in which the Simunovic meat processing plant lambs and cattle are raised have an ecosystem rich in wild species like guanacos, rheas, and many bird species that cohabit in amazingly beautiful lands. The Magallanes lamb is bred large, free range that are good for the animal's growth. There is an estimate of 1 lamb per hectare. In the Chilean Patagonia, the animals graze freely on wild prairies surrounded by crystal clear waters coming from the Andean mountains. It is an area in which the sheep grow in a healthy and natural way, being outdoors all year round. The low temperatures and the dry weather, typical of the Austral area, offer an illness-free life to animals. The exclusion of agrochemicals and pesticides in the fields and the prohibition to feed the animals with anabolics and growth promoters make the Magallanes lamb a natural, high-quality product. The virtues of these lands are good for the cattle growing, also developed in the area, which, just like the lamb, offers meat of outstanding quality and taste. The Simunovic meat processing plant is leader in cattle meat production in the region. With over 50 years in the larger Magallanes region, surrounded by natural wonders, the Simunovic meat processing plant is proud to work under demanding sanitary and environmental standards, offering the country and the international market a fresh, healthy, and tasty product.